Hi, Mrs. Michelson here, and I'm going to be doing a recorder tutorial on how to play the song When the Saints Go Marching In. Now, in this song, the first thing you need to know is that we have two new notes. We have a C, which is on the third space, F, A, C, and it's played, if you look at the fingering chart, a little differently. It's played with just the middle finger down and the thumb. So it looks like this. This is a C, and this is what it sounds like. The other new note is a high D. We played a low D in Old MacDonald Had a Farm, and now we have a high D, which is on the fourth line. Every good burger deserves fries. And the high D is just your middle finger over that middle hole. Nothing else is covered, if you notice. So a high D looks like this. High C, high D. Play them with me. High C, now let's play high D together. You're going to find that playing higher notes is a lot easier on recorder than playing the lower notes. They just seem to come out naturally easier. So, in our song, whenever we see a high C and a high D, that's how we're going to play it. The other thing that we're learning about is this thing that's called a tie. You see one right here. In music, you have to imagine that a tie is like a plus sign. It adds the amount of beats that are in each rhythm together. So in this rhythm, we have a whole note, which is worth 4. So we have 4 tied to 1. 4 plus 1, because a quarter note gets 1 beat. Whole note plus quarter note is 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you would count in your head 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, because it starts over again at a new measure. And then if you look right here, we have a dotted half note, which is 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, plus 2 more for a regular half note, 4, 5. So if I'm going to play this note right here, it's tied together, and I'm going to count it as I play it. That's all you do. So, first thing that we're going to do is I am going to have you sing and finger with me through this first line to here. Okay? So, oh, when the saints go marching in. Okay? I want you to sing and finger. I'm going to look at my music. You look at yours. Now for this song, a tip is you can move your hand down here like we did when we first started playing recorder, because you don't need any of these bottom notes. So for When the Saints Go Marching In only, you can move your hand back down. It will help you when you're first learning how to play those Ds, know how to balance things a little bit better. So I'm going to sing and finger at the beginning. Here we go. Singing and fingering together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. G, B, C, D. G, B, C, D. Now if you notice, that's just the same thing 2 times in a row. So let's play slowly together, Oh, When the Saints Go Marching In. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. Now we're only going to sing and finger through the next little bit, and then I'm going to cut the video in half and we'll have a part 2, just like we did on Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So we just played "Oh When the Saints Go Marching In." We're right down here. So we're going to sing and finger "Oh When the Saints Go Marching In" again. Okay? Starting right here on the second line on the word "oh," we're going to sing and finger together. I'm going to look at my music. You look at your music. G, B, C, D, B, G, B, A. Let's sing and finger that little bit again. You notice that it's different than the first 2 times that we played. Here we go. Same spots. 1, 2, sing and finger. Here we go. G, C, I'm sorry, I was looking ahead. We're going to try that again. Here we go. G, B, C, D, B, G, B, A. Now we're going to play there. Again, just in case if you feel like you're lost, we're just right here on the second line. "Oh, when the saints go marching in." Here we go. Let's play that a little bit together. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. Now let's go all the way back to the beginning and finger from the beginning to that point. Sing and finger from the beginning to that point, and then we'll play from the beginning to that point. But we're going to sing and finger first. Here we go. Let's sing and finger from the beginning. 1, 2, sing and finger, sing and finger. G, B, C, D, G, B, C, D, G, B, C, D, B, G, B, A. All right, time to play it. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. That was just the first half. If you're having any problems, just go back and redo this first part of the tutorial and practice it maybe 1 or 2 times before you move on to the second half. Happy practicing!